What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix laptop is missing cursor or the PC is completely missing with mouse cursor is completely missing on your Windows 11 and how we can fix this. So let me directly get into a step. So first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to fix this app. So all we have to do is need to press the Windows key on your keyboard. So just press the Windows key and now we need to search here for the settings over here at the top and you have to select the settings and press enter. So right now the settings is popping up and this is what you have to do. And right now we don't have the cursor, so we need to navigate to other part of the monitor or any other options. If you wanted to select, all you have to do is just need to use the tab key over here so that you can select like this. So right now what I'm going to do is just going to press it once again the tab key and I'm going to go over here. So I can search here for one of the thing called touchpad on or off. I need to search here for touchpad on or off. Turn the touchpad icon on or off over here. So I have to select it and press enter. So right now it's going to this particular page and I have to use the tab key over here and I just need to go over here once again and I need to turn on this particular over here. So right, what I need to just go over here, I have to press the over here at the right now over here like this. And over here under the pen menu, we have the touch keyboard and it should be selected to always. So make sure to be selected to the always and once afterwards you have to check. Most probably after turning on, when you use the cursor, it will be working fine. So if you're having the trouble, all we have to do is we just need to move to the next step. Next step is all about nothing but what we need to do is afterwards, still if you're having the trouble, the next one is all about you have to press Windows, Control, Shift and B together. So you have to press Windows, Control, Shift and B together over here and that is going to take you to this and you have to check. Right now what happens is it is going to do like this. When you press this key, you can see you'll be hearing a sound like this. Windows Shift, Windows Control Shift and B over here like this. So you'll be hearing a voice. So screen will be like this. So what it's going to do is it is going to restart all your drivers. So even the mouse drivers will be fixed by this and you can use the cursor hereafter and you can check it. So still if you're having the trouble with the cursor is completely missing and you don't have any navigations in order to do, all you have to do is you just need to go over here, press the Windows key once again like this and you have to search here for the device manager and you have to select the device manager and that's going to take you to this. And right now from here you have to use the tab key in order to navigate to the down and once it is selected just go over here using the arrow key over here at the down over here like this. And right now we need to expand the mice and other pointing devices over here. So right now over here what we need to just select this and make sure that you select the mice over here like this and you can expand it over here like this or you can just expand it. And right now we have the HID complete mouse. You have to select it, just press enter. And over here what we need to just go over here at the top, so you can just go over here for the driver, you can just navigate to the driver over here like this and right now keep scrolling down over here for update driver. Before updating the driver, what I'm recommending is first try with disabling the driver. For in order to navigate to all these things you have to use the tab key, don't forget that, just use the tab key over here. First disable the device and reconnect it back and once afterward just go back over here at the top and you have to do is what we need, just update your driver and you have to search automatically for drivers and make sure it is up to date. After the driver is completely done, all we have to just close this and most probably it will be working, will not be having any kind of issue with the mouse cursor and it will be visible and you can use it just like the usual way. And I hope this video is helpful and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.